Good morning, mighty rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, 2019. Good morning. Please stand, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this Wednesday. Please be seated. Celebrating a birthday today is Kalia in kinder and Romina in third. Hope you both have an amazing day. Make sure you stop by my office to get your birthday treat. Today we're going to focus on rattlers being relentless. Today I will not give up. We are so close to break, but we cannot give up yet. And idea 15 is cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough and say, "Excuse me," especially this time of year when we're all not feeling too well. We got to make sure we're staying healthy and keeping our germs to ourselves. Also, the vocabulary word of the day is a tricky one. It's vicinity, the area or region near or about a place. It could also mean neighborhood or fact or state of being near in proximity. So, let me use this as an example. Sand in the car's tires indicated that accident happened somewhere in the vicinity of the beach. Sometimes when you've lost something in your house, you're looking, I know it was in the vicinity of the kitchen, so somewhere like in that area. So another synonym is like closeness. All right, today is Wednesday. You are going to your third block for academic block. Your hair can be crazy today, but your uniform cannot. So please make sure that your shirt is tucked in, that you are wearing black or khaki pants that have no rips in them, and take off those non-idea sweatshirts and sweaters. Shout out to 5th grade, who's been doing way better with taking off their non-idea shirts, putting them in their backpacks, or giving them to your teacher until the end of the day. Can't wait for you guys to set a high bar for all of our students. All right, today you guys are studying and getting ready for 1st grade math test, 3rd grade math test, and 3rd, 4th, and 5th. You all have reading tests on Friday, so make sure you're paying attention in class, and we are almost done with this week. Today is the last day for any canned goods. We will probably end up turning them in tomorrow morning, so in case you forgot something, make sure you bring it in the morning, and we will make sure that we put it in the drive before they pick it up tomorrow. Thank you all for those of you who have donated. Just know that you make a big difference. Yesterday, we met 88 on the head, 97.5, and our goal is 97.5. So really great job coming to school yesterday. And just so you know, tomorrow and Friday, there may be a little bit of a shower here and there, so make sure that you're dressed appropriately, and that is little water falling out of the sky is no excuse to not be at school. All right, here is our health fact of the day. Staying in touch with your family and friends is good for your health, memory, and longevity. So as long as you really like your family and friends, sometimes just calling them up on the phone and having a conversation or texting them, just asking how they're doing, is good for your health. All right, make sure that you're here every single day so you can be entered in the raffle. Also, we have quite a few of you who have won turkeys. I will remind you of these names in 1 minute. Also, tomorrow is Throwback Thursday. So if you need to, ask your teachers or Google 80s Dress Day. It was a fun decade I wasn't alive for, but I heard good things, and the outfits were really cool. They had cool fashions. So make sure that you dress up tomorrow. It will be lots of fun. All right. If your name is on this list up at the top where it says Academy under that blue heading, you have won a ham or a turkey, which is amazing. And even if you don't think that's amazing, your parents will think that's amazing because Thanksgiving's coming up and you won an entire turkey or an entire ham. So look on here. There's kinder through 5th grade. And then that was for day 1. And day 2, your name would be up at the top again. Take a look. I'll go back to the first one. Now to the second one. If your name is on this list, tell your homeroom teacher and they will advise you what to do to get your turkey. Alrighty, congratulations if you won a turkey. Here's another plug for the 2nd grade winter dance on December 13th. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready and go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a wonderful, warm Wednesday. Remember, the choice is yours. Also, there are only 2 days, tomorrow and Friday, until you have a 9-day break that you can sleep in and recharge yourself. And if you're sick, to rest and get better. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students that are out and message the ADA group message. Hopefully we can hit ADA again today. Have a great day.